Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome back to your online classes. Student, in your science, I am taking the chapter number 4, clothes for us. Student, in previous classes, I have completed all topics of this chapter and now I am going to start the exercises of this chapter. So student, let us ready to write down the exercises of this chapter in book as well as in your fair copy. Okay, so open the book, take the pencil and sharpener, eraser and get ready to start the chapter 4 exercise. So write down, student, open your book, there is 19th of August 2020. Class 4, subject science. Today's topic is EXER exercises of chapter number 4. The number 4 is clothing for us. Okay. So student, I am also taking the book for explanation of the question answer. Student, yesterday I have completed the concept check. First, match the following column. Okay, now I am going to explain the second concept check, page number 43. So ready, student? Write down in your fair copy directly. Don't write in the book. Concept check, page number 43. Okay. So student, you should write down the question also, then write the answer below the question. Second, put the odd one out. Put the odd one out, giving reason. Means first you should put the odd one in the following sentences and also give the reason. Question 1. What is the sweater, jacket, coat, cotton shirt? I have given one demo, one explanation of the question. Write down first the question: sweater, SWEATER, sweater; jacket, JACKET, jacket; coat and cotton shirt. Cotton shirt. Okay. So answer is what is the odd one first of sweater, jacket, coat. This is the winter season clothes. and cotton shirt is the summer season clothes. So student, you should odd one out. The correct answer will be cotton shirt. So write down the cotton shirt. Reason, REA, reason. Write down cotton shirt. Because cotton shirt worn in summer season. Okay, and rest 3 are wear in winter season. Write down question number 2. I am not going to write down the question. I am write down only the answer. Question is raincoat, wool, fur, silk. Raincoat, wool, fur and silk. Wool obtained from sheep. Fur also obtained from goat, sheep, camel, and silk is also obtained from the silkworm. And raincoat is made by factory, industries, means synthesized by the man. So the answer, odd one out, will be raincoat. 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 Don't write reason so many times. You should give the semicolon, because raincoat is synthesized by man. Already given in the page number, student, wait. Raincoat is made from synthetic fiber. Raincoat is made from synthetic fiber, and the rest are the natural sources. Okay, write down. I am going to erase because our board is so very small. And write down the answer number 3rd. You should write the question first, then answer. 3rd question is nylon, silk, rayon, polyester. Nylon is synthetic fiber, silk is natural, rayon is synthetic fiber, polyester is okay. Polyester is also a synthetic fiber. So the odd one out will be silk. Silk. Because silk is a natural fiber. Silk is natural fiber. Which is obtained from animal. Okay. You can write down also in place of natural, that is the animal fiber, and animal fiber. Write down question number 4, answer number 4. Camphor, mothball, deodorant, neem leaf base. So student, camphor, mothball and neem leaf base is A. What is this? Is the these things that protect the clothes when we stored in the box or almirah. So the deodorant is the odd one out. Deodorant, because it is a perfume and rests are pesticides. Pesticide means the chemical which kill the pests like insects, or you can write down the insecticides also. Insects. Pesticide, insecticide. Insecticides. Insecticides. You can write down only this perfume, from because to perfume. Write down, student. Now student, let us going to write down the exercises of this chapter. So open the page number 45. Open the page number 45. First, fill in the blanks. Don't write in the fair copy or rough copy or homework copy. Direct fill in the book with the help of pencil. Okay? First, second, and third. Write down in the book. Clothes are worn according to the dash of the place one lives. So student, you know the different kinds of people wore the different types of the clothes according to their needs, which is depend upon the weathers, occasions, and the work. So clothes are also identified the people. So you should fill the what suitable answer. Clothes are worn according to the weather. According to the weather. Second, many dashes are woven together to make a fabric. Student, fabric. When how fabrics is formed? Fabric is formed by the twisting of the or knitting by the fibers. There are the different types of fiber, natural fiber and man-made fiber. So fabrics are formed when fibers are woven together. So you should fill the fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. Fibers. Third, dash is obtained from stem of flax plant. Student, flax plant. Stem. So cotton and linen, which is obtained from the plant sources. Cotton obtained from the cotton plant and linen obtained from the flax plant. Flax plant. Okay. You know, when in the this season, generally farmers cutted the flax plant and merge it in the water and and after few days their stems fibers get mature and escape from the and split from their stems, and farmer put off the fibers from the stems. Okay, this is the called the linen, which is used for making the mat. Okay, and so many bags, carry bags. So linen is very strongest fiber. Okay, so write down the answer number third is linen. L-I-N-E-N. Four. Student, we like to wear dash and dash clothes at home. Which types of clothes we should wear at the home, student? Which is very comfortable to me, okay, at home, and which is very loose. Don't wear the tight clothes. Okay, so at home wear the loose, loose, and in second as comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Insects like dash and dash damage the silk and woolen clothing. In your book there are two insects. First is moths and second is silver fish. Write down moths. M-O-T-H-S, moths, dash, silver fish. Very small piece which is in the silver color called silver fish. Generally found the folded in between the folded of the silk clothes and woolen clothes. And moths, eggs of the moth, that is damage the what clothes. You know, silk clothes and woolen clothes are very costly. So you should store in proper way. So there are 5. Fill in the blanks. Student, complete it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write down in the book. Now student, I am going to read the Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. So get ready. Second. Okay. Tick and cross. I am not going to write down complete sentences. I hope you will understand. First question: we wear same type of clothes in our season. Student, no. According to season, we wear different types of clothes. Summer season, we wear the what? Cotton clothes. Winter season, woolen clothes. Okay. Raincoat used in the rainy season. The first cross. Second, clothes made from synthetic fiber lose their color after 1 or 2 hours. No, you students, this the clothes, this synthetic fiber which is synthesized in the factories are very durable, cheapest, and does not change their color after several washes. So student, this statement is also from cross it. Third, cotton clothes are better in summer. Okay, cotton cloth because it absorbs the sweat and keep your body cool. So in this you can pick. And question number 4, clothes should be washed and dried properly for their long life. Okay, good sentence. So put the tick. And fifth, dry cleaning is done with water and detergent. Dry cleaning, no student. Dry cleaning generally done with the help of petrol or spirit, which is used in the costly clothes. So cross it. Okay, cross it. So complete student in your book. This is the field blank and this is the tick, the correct answer. Now student, I am going to erase this. So student, read properly all the topics at home. After that you are able to explain the question answer from any book. Okay, I want this to clear your concept at your home. Okay, so use your precious time at home in the reading, learning. Okay, write down the homework. Learn today's exercise. From book. Okay, in science, write down in your where in the diary. It is understood. Exercise, today's exercise means concept check, first, second, both, and fill in the blanks, and tick and cross. Okay student, so write down today's homework. Now your time is going to over. So your class is also over. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Okay.